I'm Mike Wade. I'm 44 years old. This is my second year with the ski team. My favorite part about the ski team is this is really Northeast Ohio's best kept secret. The people are amazing. If you want to learn how to water ski, there's not a better group to learn from.
My name is Sky, I'm 14, and my favorite thing about the Chippewa ski team is the sense of community that it creates and like having friends and a family to support you and push you to achieve what your goals are, and just that's what makes it fun, I think, is just having family and friends around you.
My name's Reese, I'm 16. The best thing about ski team is just you make so many friends. My best friends are on this ski team and we just have so much fun. We're out on the pyramids singing, and just the friends that you make just like makes it so much better.
Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I'm 5 years old, and my favorite part is the costume.
My name is Lola, I'm 15, and my favorite thing about ski team is the family dynamic that we have, and being able to go out on the water with your friends is so much fun. When we do shows, looking out into the crowd and seeing all the people watching you, it's really an amazing experience.
I'm Miley, I'm 14, and my favorite part about the ski team is when you're out on the water trying new tricks, you always have support and the people trying to help you make sure you accomplish your goals.